as you can see here, don't look at that. Don't. So we're gonna do like a squishy haul because literally, these are the best ever for you. I got more at home. Yeah. So my first off squish, we're gonna start with the peanut. Listen, might not. I love this one, just not like a love. I just kind of like it, just not like a lovey-de-love. Like, so my second squishy, I got this like Taba glitter squishy. It's not that good, but it's fine. Anyways, second of all, we have the Dubai Fuzz chocolate. I literally like love it, just not like love like it. Listen. 9 out of 10. I don't like it that much. And next up we have the bread. The literally bread. I saw the McDonald's, the Starbucks, I even saw the rarest needle in the world. I'm not joking, no. The rarest needle in the world is like, it's like a ball. Well, it's not a ball. It's like a needle with a smiley face. I saw it. I'm not joking. Search it up. I'm sorry. Listen to the freaking bread. I love it. Ooh, that looks good. And listen, wait, look. Like when you do it like that, look how long it takes. Oh, I love how slow as it is. And then, oh my god, it smells so nice. Smell it. Do you like that? Okay. Smell this one. It smells like chocolate. Smell it. Do you like it? Okay. Wait, smell the peanut. It smells like peanut. I like a peanut. Smell it. That's nice. Alright. Wait. I don't know what that one is. The type of squishy. But anyways, thank you for watching today's video. Bye. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button so I can go live at 50 subscribers. Bye. Peace out. Don't forget, the best squishy ever. I like rate this 10 out of 10. 9.3 out of 10. 9 out of 10. In the type of squishy, 3.2 out of 10. So anyways, thank you for watching today's video. Bye. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.